So have you ever wondered about your skin's health and how clean it is, and what method are you using to cleanse your face? This is so crucial when it comes to your skin health, and that is what we're going to be talking about today. So hey there, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Sonika, and today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, that is cleansing your skin. The most effective as well as the easiest way to cleanse your face is by using a micellar water. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that I've been using for the longest time in my skincare journey, and you would have seen me recommending this so many times, which is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So the most common problem is that a lot of people do not know what a micellar water is and what it does. So micellar water is great for cleansing your skin because it helps you to remove any dirt or sunscreen or any impurities and makeup from your skin. So what it does is that the micelles which are there in your micellar water will act like a magnet, and it just kind of pulls all the dirt and the impurities which are on your skin. So it makes sure that your skin is very clean and it removes any kind of remaining debris on the face. So it's super easy to use, and it's also very efficient because it removes all the debris in just one swipe. So I like to include it in my AM as well as my PM routine. So what I do is that once I wake up in the morning, I use this to remove off any extra skincare which I would have had on my skin from the previous night. So that way my skin becomes extremely clean. And also for your PM routine, it's going to be great to take away any kind of pollutants or any dirt, debris, oil buildup on the face, and also makeup residue. So the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is my go-to favorite when it comes to the cleanser category. It's perfect for using it on a day-to-day basis. It does not cause you any kind of skin irritation. It's very comfortable on the skin, and it's also very quick and very simple to use it. It's perfect when you're on the run because it does the job so quickly and effectively. So let's get into the product. So this is a 400 ml bottle, and you can easily make up to 200 uses with this. It's very easy to just kind of open it and you can just get the product out of it. It just comes in the right quantity, does not overflow out, and not you have to like squeeze it out to get the product. It comes in a transparent bottle, which I think is super convenient because you can see when it's going to get over for a refill. So it's perfect to use it all over your face, including your eyes and your lips. It's also going to be great for sensitive skin. So it cleanses your face really well and removes all the makeup, and it also feels very soothing on the skin. So the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is very gentle, and it's going to suit all skin types. So the formulation of the micellar water is free of sulphates as well as parabens. It's going to be very safe for you to use it on your skin. Now that we've spoken about the product, let's start talking about why this is so important in my skincare routine and why you should be including it in yours too. So let's start off with understanding on how important it is to have clean skin. When you have a lot of impurities, it's going to start to clog your pores, and then eventually you're going to end up with a lot of dullness and a lot of breakouts on your skin, and that's going to start to affect the texture of your skin. So it's just better to make sure that you are removing all the debris which is on your face on a day-to-day basis in the morning as well as in the night. So just using a face wash or a bar of soap is not going to do the trick, and it's very important to have a proper double cleansing routine where you're going to use a micellar water as the first step to take away all the dirt and the debris on the face. The Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is not like your traditional face washes or soaps which is going to start to strip the oils off your face. It's a lot more better when you use this, and it's much more milder and gentle on your skin. So let's move on to trying this product out, and I'll show you how I do it on a day-to-day basis. And I'm just going to use a cotton pad with a little bit of micellar water to do the trick. So it's super easy to use this, and all we need to do is to pour, press and swipe. And that way you will be able to cleanse your face really well, leaving you with clean skin. This removes 100% dust, dirt, pollution, sunscreen and makeup in one swipe. So there are 3 variants in this range, which is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the Garnier Oil Infused Cleansing Water, and the Garnier Vitamin C Cleansing Water. So when it comes to everyday cleansing, the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is going to be perfect. And when it comes to some days when you're going to use some sort of waterproof makeup or any kind of waterproof sunscreen, then the oil infused version is going to be a great pick for you. And if you want a little bit of brightness on your skin as you work along, the Vitamin C Micellar Water is going to be a great pick for you. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to drop down the link in the description description bar below for you to shop this product. So make sure you check out all the details about this product down in the description bar below and make sure you give it a try. It's such an amazing product and it's something which should be a staple in your routine. So get your hands on this and give it a go, and let me know down in the comment section below on any doubts and queries you have about this product. So stay tuned for more, and until next time, bye bye.